What's up with y'all, Ocean Squad? I'm back from New York. As some of y'all may know, I recently did a 3WP meet and greet in the city of New York this past weekend. Shout out to all the waivers who came out. I do plan to do more meetups in other states, so you know what I'm saying, just tap in with me on Instagram. Instagram is at 360wave process. This is part one of 2 different parts, all right? Because it was so much footage, I can't put it all in this one vlog. It'd be like 20-30 minutes long. Other than that, also some of this footage is going to be repurposed on the at 360wave process IGTV. So tap in on the 360wave process IGTV, and you're gonna see some footage that may not have been included in this vlog. Yeah, besides that, boost the like button for me, Ocean Squad. And yes, this is a new 3WP brush. I do plan to drop a whole new fleet of 3WP brushes at the end of this month. Pre-orders coming soon, so stay tuned, Ocean Squad. Enjoy the video, boost the like button for me. Yeah, deuce.
Red edition hard.
I didn't bring no CMB brushes with me, or no red editions like this, but the Wave fam came out with it, man. That's mad support.
I'm gonna carry that to New York.
Which one of those is your favorite?
Grind on me. Oh, definitely the hard one, because it get me through some tough times.
Some long whooping sessions.
Long whooping sessions. When I first got this, I got this December of last year.
Yeah.
And I was already in the middle of a 3-month wolf. I ended up cutting my wolf February.
Yeah.
Right before my birthday.
It got you through it.
This got me through it.
You know what, bro? I think you, if you like that one, you would like the hard version of this green edition. Yeah. I should have brought some of those. How you feeling about your 3WP brush so far, bro?
It's good, you know. I'm really trying to. I just started, so
yeah.
I can see that.
Yeah, I can tell you kind of a beginner right now. You got a little bit of dips at the top.
You know, I'm just happy. You know.
How long you been waving?
Well, about a month.
About a month?
Just cut my hair off. Right. Yeah, I cut my hair off for about a month ago.
Okay. You gonna get up there, bro. For your sides, you got the little taper right there. It might be kind of hard for you to get them, but I suggest making sure you get those whip sessions in, and you're gonna be able to develop them sides.
Thank you.
No problem. How y'all feeling, bro?
Feeling good. I'm loving the brush though. The brush is really putting in that work right now.
So far,
Brush outside like this.
Yeah. I like it more than my Torino. For some reason, it pulls more than my Torino.
Okay. Which one? Which Torino?
I have a green Torino medium.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that one softer or what?
The Torino is like, it's good and alright, but like for some reason, this one is shorter than the Torino.
Yeah.
Yet it's pulling more.
How you feeling, bro? Hampton in the building. Mr. Saucy. You see him out here? How you feeling that 3WP brush so far?
It's like laying down my hair more.
I feel it. How long you been waving, bro?
For like a month or 2.
Only a month?
Yeah. Only a month?
Everybody like only a month, but he dipping.
I only cut my hair like literally last month.
But you had the curls that you were showing them, right?
Yeah.
Straight hair wavers get waves quick. He said only a month, you know what I'm saying? Only a month.
Kind of like.
How long you been waving?
Yeah. I'm like in between, like
about a year? Okay. Yeah, man.
You coarse, man. He was like, it's a war.
Nah, but I ain't gonna lie, I'd rather be coarse than medium. Because like medium, we gotta put in more work.
And I go to 1.5
coarse look a little bit better, but we gotta put in more work. So like after we work out, like we in gym or whatever, I
play like 2 sports. I run track and do soccer. So it's like, I got when I get home, first thing I do is hop in the shower and start laying my hair down.
Yeah.
While I'm moving, my hair start getting puffy and like you see more overcurling than before.
Yeah.
I'd rather be coarse.
From what I've heard, you know what I'm saying, for being in the wave game so long, when your hair is straight like this, it's not harder to maintain, but like you gotta do, it's like you could get it, you can lose your progress quick, you know what I'm saying? Like if you cut it low, is that true that like your progress?
I cut it low like last week, and I lost like a few of my progress, but I gained them back like in like 2 days or something like that.
I feel like medium's a good hair texture, but I feel like coarse is the best. Cause like medium, like your hair looks great. It's just it takes a lot of work to get it back to how it was. But coarse,
medium coarse, right?
Yeah, he got a medium hair texture.
Yeah, like in the middle. Like my father got coarse hair, but my mother like she got that medium hair texture. So it's just like mixed.
Yeah, man.
If I was coarse, I'm dipping out. But
You different, bro.
Coarse.
Like, so you prefer your waves to be like,
Yeah, man. When I get my hair cut real low, my waves still be up in there.
20 cash. Well, lineup, that's steep.
Yeah, I pay like 15. I pay 15 and I get to cut it all down.
Yeah.
Get it shaped. All that.
They said I'm bugging.
Oh, if
I want the beard, that's extra. That's the extra 5.
Like my mustache comes in the package. Lineup everything comes in the 15.
Where y'all get y'all haircut at?
I'm from the Bronx. I'm from the Bronx.
Hey man, I need to move to the Bronx then to save on haircuts. No, that's for the lineup, 20.
Oh no. So how much you for a whole cut?
The whole cut, 30, 35. You would never pay that?
No.
Never in your life? If the barber be like, all right, that's 30 for the cut, what you gonna say?
I'm walking out. Just for that, I like.
He gonna be like, hey, I'm gonna need my cash.
Hey, that's too much.
Yeah, 35 for the cut, $40 for the cut with the beard, groom, or shave. House call, $125. Line up with taper, $30. Design, $50.
Both sides probably like 15.
This that same barber that charge you 30?
Nah.
Oh.
It's a different barber.
Oh, you like female barbers, huh, bro?
Yeah.
You be trying to mac, huh?
Nah. They okay, but I just don't like. I don't know, something about a dude touching my head.
Okay.
Especially like if you got a tall barber and he like this and like I'm short, like as far as make goes. And nigga like gripping your head and like his face, like his shit is right here. I'm like, nah.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What up, guys?
Ocean Squad coming through. Wave fam out here.
How you feeling? All right? What's good? What's up? How you feeling? Everybody got their green edition up?
Nice to meet you, man.
Shot, Raymond.
Nice to meet you, Raymond. Appreciate you for coming out. He got the dips up there.
Oh, you did, huh? Oh, I get everyone. Oh, I must see that. Good. How you doing? You all right? Chilling.
How you feeling, my brother?
I'm doing well, man. I'm doing well.
Good.
Welcome to New York.
Yeah, it's my first time.
First time in New York?
Yeah.
Interesting spot.
Oh, you said that? It's touristy.
It's touristy, but you see all the interesting things from tourists happening.
Oh, yeah. Shout out to my guy Raymond. You said Raymond, right? Yeah. He came out with the 3WP brushes on him already. How you like that one?
This one's good, man. Helping me out, trying to.
Yeah.
You know.
Which one is your favorite?
I would say this one.
Okay.
This one, the original one, still harder, but I like this one, the fork breaker. And
the fork breaker, indeed.
This one is
the wood grain.
Wolfing.
Yeah.
But this is a wood grain version too, and this section, the medium one.
This one?
Yeah, like the medium one. It's the medium.
Nah, the other one. Just do that bounce back method.
Bounce back method?
Yeah. It's on YouTube now.
Oh, you just put it up?
You wash? I put it like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago? Okay,
yeah.
I got to follow up. See if I got it. Alright, check that out, man.
Alright, bro.
It's all good.
Appreciate you for coming out.
Not doubt. Safe. Y'all take care. Y'all stay safe. Stay away.
Manny in the building. Put up on the bike. What's good, bro?
Yo.
How you feeling?
I'm alright.
Oh, you swaggy. He got the little I thought that was the Supreme one.
I ain't that sure.
You said not yet? Bro, how long you been waving?
I started like August.
August?
I started watching your videos OD.
And then you just went in and got that progress.
Yep. Brush for every day.
That was your first time starting it ever? Hey, that's some quick progress, bro. Manny out here. He only been waving since August, and he already got the dips. Is it the full 360? You gotta work on the back end there. You gotta work on that a little bit though. How you like that brush right there?
Alright.
How you feeling, bro?
Oh, you know me.
He out here with the fresh fit. He ain't playing no games. Hey, I ain't playing no games either, bro. How you feeling though? You ragged up.
Take it off.
On rag for the Ocean Squad. This shit overexposed right now. He said he about to get the lay down G. That Poppy Blasted feature all the time. You said you used it already though?
Yeah, I used it already. My man's got it.
Okay.
It felt good.
Yeah.
But the wave glider felt good too, so I don't know which one to get, but I feel it
Yeah. I feel it. You say you want Jeezy to come to New York?
I want Jeezy to come to New York.
Tell Jeezy to come out then.
Yo, come to New York, bro. We don't bite.
Yeah, man. That's mad support.
Hey, you got business here. You can cut some hair, son. Come on, bro.
Yeah, what else? I need Nick Wavy. Need to come too.
What about PB?
Oh yeah, PB, definitely. You gotta bring the straight kids out here, man.
Y'all come out to support PB too, if he come out?
You and PB,
sure.
that really helped me a lot.
Yeah.
Jeezy did too. Like y'all the two that I really watching that helped me with my connections. Jeezy and Nick, they got my hit tech shit, but y'all like really the ones that watch.
Okay. Yeah, that's support, bro. I appreciate it. You said it's too hot. Nah, it ain't too hot. You know what I'm saying? But like, we don't wear our do-rags just out like that. You know what I'm saying? In high concentrations. But I'm seeing UPS driver with a do-rag on, delivering packages and shit. I'm like, damn, they really out here.
You gotta be from the place that do-rags is a new sunglasses.
Yeah.
That's the moment out here, bro. Like, you go to school, everyone in school has a brush.
Do they let y'all wear your do-rags in school?
I do that about one in school. I'm gonna tell y'all, serious. I be in the middle of a lecture, the teacher could be talking to me, I'm brushing.
Yeah.
She gonna be like, yo, stop that. I'm a rag up. She be like, yo, take off your do-rag. I put my hood on.
Yeah.
She be like, yo, take off your hood. Nah, I can't do that. I got a cut on my face. You can't.
Well, she send you to the principal office. What you gonna say to the principal?
My principal cool with me.
Oh, he gonna be like.
Now I'm in the principal's office chilling. I don't gotta do no work.
I feel it. The Ocean Squad out here.
Maybe like come in the morning.
Yes, recording.
You just edit it out.
Y'all want a picture? Take a picture on my phone too.